I'm Elizabeth Fullerton, the Financial Aid and Awards Counsellor for Mount Allison University. This area and Mount Allison's scholarships and bursary programs offer a lot of different methods of funding for students. So if you find that you are in need of financial aid, be it through the stream of scholarships to be recognized for your efforts, or you need financial aid through bursaries or extra support financially to attain these dreams of going to post-secondary education, then it's to this office that you want to speak, and you can reach me at financialaid@mta.ca. So things that are covered under this big umbrella of financial aid are entrance scholarships. And as many of you know and already have probably received some initial scholarship offers, our scholarship deadline is March 1st. If you submit your online admissions application, which is also comprehensive and includes the scholarship application, you'll be considered for a whole slew of scholarships that we have on campus. There is no separate scholarship application that you will need to submit for any of Mount Allison funding scholarships. There are some external scholarships that you may want to apply for, the main one being the Harrison McCain Scholarship, and their application is on our website and you can send it to us. And we will send it off to the foundation for its review. Another pillar of the financial aid program are our entrance bursaries and general financial aid bursaries here at the university. The entrance bursary program deadline is March 1st, and the application is located in your Connect account. So if you know you're going to need a little bit of extra funding to make these dreams a reality of attending Mount A, be sure to fill out that application before March 1st. You will need your parent or guardian tax information for this application, and rest assured it is in a very secured software that we have at the university. Another program is a university general bursary application. And once you're here on campus, be it virtually or in person, and you still find that you're in financial need, you can again apply for more financial aid. Should funding be available that our donors have generously donated, we always want to pass it on to the students in the greatest level of need. Another area that financial aid covers is emergency funding. So emergency funding is different than your regular bursary funding. Emergency funding is here for students who find themselves in a jam, be it they can't afford their rent, or groceries, or whatnot. Then you reach out to financial aid and let us know the struggle that you're facing, and we can try to support you financially so you can make it through that hard time. Another area covered under financial aid is government loan programs. So that could be Canadian loan programs or US loan programs. For Canada, government applications tend to open up in early to mid-June. Every province is a bit different. To apply for government loans, you apply through your province of residency. So that means the province that you lived in for the last consecutive 12-month period. So you can go and Google, if you like, their web address and hop on their website and get all the information you need from your province. Or you can go to mta.ca/financial aid, click on the loan button, and we give you all the direct links to the government pages that you'll need to visit. Once your provincial application is reviewed at this level, it is essentially sent to the federal level, and the federal level looks at your application and provides grants or loans that they deem fit to give you. Now for our US students or our dual citizens that come here and study at Mount Allison, it's important to know that we are certified for the Title IV direct loan program through the Department of Education in the US. So if you are a US citizen or you are a dual citizen with an American citizenship, then you may consider applying for US financial aid through the FAFSA application. And these links are all on our website as well as a document that lists out the steps for the US financial aid program. So again, all this information and more regarding financial aid is on our website, mta.ca/moneymatters. In general, if you have any questions about financial aid, maybe it's understanding your account statement, maybe it's needing help with creating a budget, maybe it's getting some support around an issue with your student loans, that's where you can come to financial aid. So you can book an appointment online at mta.ca/financial aid, or you can email me, financialaid@mta.ca.